How can pop-up drink stands prevent inventory losses? Pop-up drink stands can prevent inventory losses by carefully tracking their stock and using simple but effective management practices. Pop-up drink stands often have a small space and limited storage, which means every item counts. To avoid losing inventory, they usually start by counting how many bottles or cans of each drink they have before opening. Then, they keep track of every sale throughout the day, sometimes by writing it down or using a small digital system. This helps them see exactly how many drinks should be left at the end of the day. If the numbers don't match, they can figure out if something was lost, spilled, or stolen. Another smart trick is to organize the drinks in a way that older stock is used first, so nothing goes bad or gets forgotten. Some stands even train their workers to be honest and careful when handling drinks because human error or dishonesty can cause losses too. It's interesting that many people don't realize how much small mistakes, like not closing a cooler properly or leaving drinks out in the sun, can lead to losing inventory without anyone noticing right away. Many people think that inventory loss only happens because of theft, but that's not always true. One common mistake is not counting inventory regularly, which makes it hard to notice losses until much later. A good tip is to count at least once a day, preferably before and after business hours. Another issue is forgetting to track free samples or drinks given as gifts, which quietly reduce stock over time. To prevent this, keep a separate record for these items so they don't get mixed with sales. Also, some stands overlook the importance of proper storage temperatures. Drinks kept too warm can spoil faster, leading to waste that looks like loss but was actually avoidable. Always check that coolers are working correctly and keep drinks cold. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and send you estimates.